Pagmasusyan niya ngayon ang 9 na ning Abril ang 82nd Day of Valor aldo ning kagitingan kay ni Kimabilog a Pilipinas. Kay aldo ini, gaganakan tamoy pepakit ng kabayanihan na pong tepangan din kay katamong nuno niyang World War II. Meto nga wreath-laying ceremony dinaw na ning opisyal na penimunan ng Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. kay Mount Samat National Shrine kay Pilar, Bataan.
As the Day of Valor, it is a fitting tribute to our Filipino soldiers from all over the country who bravely fought in World War II side by side with our allies. Most especially to the more than 60,000 of them who were pummeled and forced into submission during the fall of Bataan.
Kaya ba ka rin denasad ng kasakitan ding sundalos kanita, ing pamaglakat ana mapurot 5 kilometro kilob ning alos di Mangaldo, magumpisa king Mariveles Bataan ng gana king San Fernando Pampanga inaus dang Death March. Basikin datos na ng Philippine Veterans Affairs Office at sulaking 650 American soldiers at 6,500 na Pilipinong sundalo ring neteking death march ng April 9, 1942.
Those who were spared from execution had to endure the equally difficult and horrendous death march, the prison camps that awaited them, and those who survived this excruciating journey on foot, described by historians as a tragic nightmare without form, reason, or mercy.
Agpang paka Marcos Jr., balaos pamurin kano'y pamagbantada ring aliwang nasyon kay katamong soberanya, bistaman mahigit 8 dekada ng milalabas manibatan na niyang milyaring fall of Bataan.
82 years on, our nation remains confronted with novel challenges in varying forms and degrees, but with the same existential impact. Some portend clear and present threats to our sovereign rights, and in fact have already caused physical harm to our people. Ang mga ito ay hindi katanggap-tanggap, hindi makatwiran o makatarungan, lalo na sa panahong ito ng payapang pakikipag-ugnayan ng mga bansa.
Bayo mapupusig kayang meging speech, inamuyot no ning presidente ring memalen ang pakyapusan ng pepakid ang tepangan, ding war veterans bang pakilaban ng katamong katimawan.
Tulad ng pinamalas ng ating mga dakilang ninuno, hindi tayo dapat magpasupil at magpaapi, lalo na sa loob ng ating sariling bakuran. Naway, mapagkunan natin ito ng pang-ibayong kamalayan, tapang at lakas ng loob. Higit sa lahat, naway patuloy nitong pagtibayin ang ating pagkakaisa at ang ating pagiging makabansa.
Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.